Did anybody do the math homework last night?
No, I didn't have time. I was home with my grandma came house.
I thought your grandma died.
No, that's Grandma Alice. This is my dad's one.
Whatever. What about you, Maria?
No, I left my math book at home.
Come on, I can't miss another assignment. One of you guys have to have done it.
No, sorry, Tom.
You know what you should do? Go to that old vending machine and ask for the assignment.
Alex, I'm not in the mood for one of your other jokes.
I'm not joking. You know the old vending machine back there? I hear that it gives you whatever you want at that exact moment. I bet you could get your math assignment. I swear on my life. Watch, I'll come back with proof.
Anyways, Maria, how are you?
I'm okay. I guess I'm just feeling a little down.
Sorry about that. Do you want to talk about it?
Yeah, actually, that'd be really nice. So,
Look, I have proof. I have cold, hard, undeniable proof.
Alex, you're so full of shit.
No, I'm not. Here's $1. Go see for yourself.
Fine, but only because I want to see the look on your face when I prove you wrong.
So, Maria, are you okay? You seem a little off.
kind of, but I don't want to burden you.
What? No, you never burden me. What's wrong?
Okay, well, last night I was out with my mom. We'll tie me up with tinsel and call it Christmas. Tom, is this your home?
Yes, it worked. Tyler, you have to try this.
Nuh-uh, no way. You guys aren't gonna fool me again. This is too planned out. It's almost like it's scripted.
Oh, come on, Tyler.
No way. I have to go to class. Are you coming? No, I have to go through this way. Hey, I know Tyler thinks you're dumb, but I believe in you, okay? And I don't know what I need, but you do. So don't fail me, okay?